Hi. I hope that wherever you are today, I am just wanting to spread a little bit of cheer. I want to make it very clear, I am not always feeling cheerful. And with that being said, remember, the moon is cold and dark all the time. And if it isn't for the sun, it would just stay cold and dark. So I hope that with every message that I post, that I somehow can be a photon, just a little glimmer of light, a little glimmer of hope, that even the darkest of nights, we are not alone. In the darkest, heaviest moments, you are not alone. I'm not alone either. The moon isn't alone. The stars in the sky are not alone. So hold on to hope, please. I know we're only 4 days away from a big, big holiday. Some of us are alone, very alone. But I want you to remember that from what I said at the very beginning of this message. Even the moon is dark and cold and alone, even though it's not alone. Okay? Remember, not everybody is going to be a reflection of light, especially during the holidays. But every single one of us matter. So be a photon. Be a glimmer. Be a spark, if you can. If you have the energy to muster it up. And if not, let other people warm you up by giving you a smile or reaching out just because maybe they understand what it's like to be cold and dark. Be blessed, okay? Know that I'm here. Know that the light is brightest with darkness in the shadows. Have a great day.